This is John Speweik with Speweik Preservation Consultants, and we're down here at the University of Arkansas in Fayetteville, Arkansas, working on the building called Old Main, which was constructed in 1875. The owner and architect have hired Speweik Preservation Consultants to come up with a program to help clean the limestone off the front entrance of the building. Part of the problem is there's a cementitious coating placed upon top of the layer of the limestone. We have to see if we can get some cleaners to clean that off, and what we're here to do is test some of that today and tomorrow to come up with an idea of what might work. There's definitely a cementitious coating you can see on here very easily on the edge, and the limestone has a very unique texture. You've got a dimpled texture on the center, and you've got the comb finish on the edges, and you can see that going down all the way along the historic stone. But you also can see a very disfiguring color demarcations all the way through the stone, which the owners want to even out and get it to look a lot better than it does. I mean, it really is quite disfiguring as far as the color when you stand back and look at the actual stone where the carving is. And the columns also have some dents in them and some patches that don't match. Here's a patch here that looks like was repaired with a repair mortar that wasn't even close in color, and that would have to be refixed and repaired. You can see the dimpled finish on the stone column itself as well, but you can see the scars going up it. I mean, structurally it's still sound, but aesthetically it needs some refreshing. Okay, it's recording now. I've got plenty of time on it, so just want the hands in there. Okay, let's keep videoing and we'll finish this now. Give it a patina. A little weathered look. Okay, so now all we gotta do is let's clean this up edge right here, and we'll use the bushing chisel for that. Come in there and clean that up. here. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Look, it brings back that natural color.
Yeah, that's it, man.
Yeah, that's
beautiful color back in.
Look at that. That thing was really stained. So what we've got is, we've got some staining issues. It's not coming off it's not coming off the sucker product. You've got to get past it. That staining is